eyes, I see the days we left behind, the memories that still won't die. They stir my heart, they make me blind. Time can never turn its course, all that's left is fading light. And before I know I'm on my own, a shadow lost within the night. The city falls into the dark, silence reigns, the world is still. A single bird flies far apart, and I remain with dreams unfilled. No matter how long I wait, it's no use. I'll stop turning back to yesterday. But just for now, in this moment here, let me say goodbye and walk away. In the simple days we shared, there were treasures everywhere. I didn't see it at the time, but the bluebird was always there. I dream of days now far away, caught in illusions I can't stray. I know it's time to face the truth and wake up from this endless youth. Has it been me who's changed this way? The voices that I knew now fade away. What was real I can't say, now it's all just drifting in the haze. I stand here where I've come to be, but what's this new place mean to me? Is this what I was reaching for? Was it really worth it all before? No matter how long I wait, it's no use. I'll stop turning back to yesterday. But just for now, in this moment here, let me say goodbye and walk away. Now I see my heart's undone. It's always been this way, I know. Did I miss it all along? It was right there, just out of my reach. I've crossed so many days of pain, sweet dreams that always leave their stain. They hold my heart and never let go. I can't escape, they steal my soul. This is the last time I'll be bound by past. I'll go to find the bluebird at last. And now I'll close the door behind and leave the past where it's confined. What I've been searching for was hidden in those days before.